Hello friends, welcome to roboticfuture.com. Today I am making a demonstration video for breakout strategy. Just I will explain you about my website first. Uh, our website is www.roboticfuture.com, and in case of any query you can call on these mentioned numbers, or you can email us at sales@roboticfuture.com. Uh, There is a blog section. You can visit our blog section for latest update. You can see videos and other updates over our blog section. Uh, Here we have all the details of the product. Uh, just a request to all our clients and who is watching the video. Just not to skip this video since it's a very high level technical video and you will gain something out of that. So just I will go to MT4 now. Today the demonstration is for breakout strategy. The indicator what we have named is RTF, that is Robotex Future Breakout Strategy. This is an intraday strategy. You can use on Bank Nifty, Nifty, and all Nifty 50 stocks, all Nifty future and option stocks, that is 144 listed stocks, but you can do on future as well as on cash. You can also do this on options, but for options you need a detailed analysis. After that, your observation it's correct, then you can use on Bank Nifty weekly options or Bank Nifty monthly options, but only for intraday, not for positional. This is purely intraday strategy, and intraday is very famous among the advanced traders, as you know. So I will just explain about Bank Nifty and 5 minute and 15 minutes. Also, I will take one stock, uh, any banking stocks, because I don't want to make this video very long. Just the purpose of this video is for understanding of this strategy. So just I will start this strategy, how it works. So I will go to the default parameters. So what it means, breakout strategy means there is an opening range. There is mainly this strategy is known as open range breakout strategy. So there is an opening range defined, that is default for 5 minutes we have defined 3 candles, that is 15 minutes, 9:15 to 9:30. NSA starts on 9:15. So opening range start time is 9:15, opening range end time is 9:30. Okay, it's very much clear. Session will exit on 3 p.m. that is 15:00 as per the 24 hours format. There will be no trade will be executed after 3 p.m. All your position will be closed at 3 p.m. There is a functionality that we have given is take profit and stop loss. So here I have given 3 options. You can either do not place any take profit, you can place on percentage, or you can place on absolute points. Just I will mention here percentage, 3% take profit and 1.5% stop loss. I will also enable the trailing stop loss, and we will also see the trailing stop loss functionality. All other functionalities are the cosmetic changes, so that you can do if you want. So we will just now move to the strategy. What this strategy means? Actually, these 3 candle, if you see, these 3 candle have an high and a low. So this is a range high to low, which is shaded in a yellow color, is a range of that particular time frame. That is 9:15 to 9:30. This is the range. Once the candle breaks, once the price breaks this range, if it will break the lower range, it will generate a sell signal. If it will break the upper range, it will generate a buy signal. So here it is a best example to see sell as well as buy signal both on 27th of May. So once the market opens, there is a range formed. It crosses next on the fourth candle. It crosses the lower range and it generates a sell signal. Once the sell signal is generated, now market has reversed. Once the market reversed, it again crossed the high range. So it has generated a buy signal. So once it will generate the opposite signal, it will square off your earlier sell position with this cross, and it will generate a new position with this arrow. So we have mentioned it very much clearly. You need to see this thing. So this is now the buy position. Now once it has taken the buy position, you can see a blue line. What we have mentioned, that was a 3% target. So this is a blue line, and we have mentioned a 1.5% SL. So here it has mentioned a 1.5% SL, and you have seen that we have also mentioned trailing stop loss. Once the market is going into one direction, the stop loss will trail at the level of 1.5%. Now if the market will cross the target, so it has crossed the target today, it has exited here. Okay, so here you have gained roughly 3% from here. From here 17,600 to 18,100 is roughly 500 point, and then again it has gone up. So I will show how to place target, and what if you have not placed the target. So if you have not placed the target, it will go up to the level of 3 p.m. So that I will explain on uh, 15-minute chart. Just to explain the trailing stop loss, see, this is a trailing stop loss. If market has been reversed from here, it has not touched the target, then trailing stop loss will be hit. So just I will explain you in any of the previous day, like here. Here market has, here sell signal has generated. Market has reversed from here. See, the target was here 3%, but market reversed from here and the trailing stop loss has hit it. So it has generally given you profit. If you see from here, here means 17,365 to exit, means roughly 100 points it has given. So this is the benefit of trailing stop loss. So I will prefer that you should enter the trailing stop loss. So this I have explained on 5 minutes. This you can, this I have explained on bank nifty. You can use it on stocks also. Just I will place and any of the stock. Just I have placed Axis Bank. So see Axis Bank, it has generated only buy signal, 3% target given, and see the market how it has given. If you have placed a target of 10%, even if you have placed a target of 10%, see it has given you 10% also. So buy price, if you see, buy price was this 346, and target means 30 rupees. 30 rupees Axis Bank. You can see, you can imagine 30 rupees if you are gaining on Axis Bank. It will give you how many in futures. Futures you can multiply with a lot. So this is one of the example of stocks also I have given. Now I will go to 15-minute candle. Why we are we have to use 15-minute candle? For 15-minute candle, it will generate less number of signal, and the reason is we are taking here 45-minute opening range. We are taking 3 candle range. You need to study this indicator in depth. There are a lot of study given in the internet. You can study, you have to backtest, you have to observe, you have to even watch the market patiently. Then only I prefer you to start with breakout strategy. And also if you are starting, start with one quantity or 10 quantity, not to go with all the future lots. Just analyze it, just think it. Market is there only, market is not going, we are here only, we are not going. So you need to understand this strategy. This strategy is very good strategy. So you need to understand it very much better in depth, and then you can start with the number of, and then you can gain profit in the multiplier effect. So these parameters what I am showing it to you, this is not an tested parameter. It is a default or a standard parameter that we are using for testing or for trading purpose, but there may be parameter better than this also. I am not challenging you that this is the best parameter. You can search even best parameter than this. So you self study is very good way to analyze this strategy. So here three candle 45 minute time 15 to 10 we have taken a range. Same here also, session will exit on 3 p.m. Here I am not taking intentionally profit and stop loss, because on earlier 5 minute thing I have shown you the target and stop loss. So here I am not taking that. So if you see here, it has taken a trade on by only single trade, by a trade on 17613. Okay. Now this trade gone till 3 p.m. So once the 3 p.m. candle finishes like 18680. So roughly it has given 1000 point in a single day. So if you are doing on one lot, 1000 point means 20,000 rupees. Here I have intentionally not taken the target and stop loss to show just how an uptrend market or a downtrend market, single sided market, can give you profit during the breakout strategy. Today's market was very good. It was a uptrend market for banking stocks, so it has given this kind of structure. Uh, I will just place this again, an Axis Bank chart on this. See, on 15 minute also it has given a very beautiful trend. So just to check, I have placed Axis Bank stock, and it has given more than 10%, as you know. So this is our breakout strategy. And in case of any doubt, uh, you can call us on this number mentioned on the website. Also, you can WhatsApp to us, and this works very well on our bridge. And for all our gold plan customer, this strategy is without any additional cost. I am giving to all our gold plan customer, and you know every month I am adding each and every new trending indicators, and that you know that will be without any additional cost to all our gold plan customers. So I prefer to go on gold plan. Soon I am launching a very beautiful software, an awesome software that will be first time in India. Wait for June month for my video. I am working on that. Uh, Till then, I hope uh, you stay at home, you eat healthy food, you exercise, and keep your family as well as yourself healthy. We wish you very good future. We wish you that you grow your capital with Robotech Future. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for our pleasant hearing. Have a nice day. Thank you.